Welcome, lovely viewers! Today we're back with a brand new video about tips on building your wealth with a low income. As always, we have a bonus video towards the very end of the video as a token of thanks, so stay tuned. Learning how to build wealth from nothing might sound like mission impossible, especially if you have always believed that wealthy people either inherit their wealth or have benefited from powerful connections. However, a 2019 report by WealthX showed that 67.7% of the world's ultra-wealthy population, or people defined as those with $30 million or more in assets, were actually self-made. In this video, we will look at 10 steps that you can start working on today to begin to build your wealth from nothing and get on track to living a more financially free lifestyle. Number 1. Educate yourself about money. Our mindset is always the first thing that needs to change before we can truly appreciate any larger transformations in our lives. The first step to building wealth from nothing is thus to invest time in your financial education. Become familiar with essential terms like income, expenses, net worth, and return on investment, passive income, and financial independence, among others. Everyone has the ability to build a financial ark to survive and flourish in the future, said Robert Kiyosaki, business magnate and author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. But you must invest in your financial education to build an ark with a solid foundation. Read books, listen to podcasts and interviews, take courses, and follow financial education blogs. Keep in mind that financial education, like every kind of education, must be a continuous activity. Never stop learning. Number 2. Get a regular income source. It's hard to build wealth from nothing without a regular source of income. You cannot invest without saving money, and you can't save money without a regular income. This is to say that people don't build sustainable wealth from multi-level marketing, Ponzi schemes, or betting. Learn to ignore people who promote get-rich-quick schemes that build wealth just by working 3 hours a week. Sustainable wealth comes from creating value over the long term. If you are not creating intrinsic value and earning income from that good or service, it's truly impossible to build sustainable wealth. Number 3. Create a budget. Creating a budget and sticking to it is crucial if you want to know how to build wealth from nothing. Using that regular income source we just spoke of, now you need to create a budget to take control of how you are spending your money, usually set on a monthly basis. A budget is a financial plan for a defined period that contains estimated income and expenditures for that period. Every household and/or individual needs to create at least a monthly budget to identify your expected income and estimated expenditure. Living without a proper budget is like sailing without a compass, and you can guarantee that you'll get lost in the seas of financial missteps. A popular budgeting technique is the 50-30-20 rule. In this technique, you can formulate a budget where 50% of your income goes to essential expenses like rent, mortgage, food, healthcare, 30% to non-essentials like shopping, vacation, entertainment, and 20% to savings and investments. One main reason is that by understanding how you spend your money, it's easier to identify the things that can be cut. The lower your expenses, the more you can add to your savings and investments. By identifying and cutting unnecessary and avoidable costs, you can build wealth faster. It's that simple. Number 4. Have enough insurance. One core item you should have on your budget is insurance. Insuring yourself and your main assets like properties, cars, etc. prevents you from incurring massive losses in the case of undesirable events. At the minimum, you should have health insurance so you don't break the bank in the unfortunate event of a costly disease. If you don't have one, research and compare health insurance plans and choose the one that is best for you. If you own your home and a car, consider homeowner and auto insurance. Also, if you have kids and dependent relatives, consider subscribing to term life insurance. Building wealth is good, but it will be excruciating if you lose your wealth to unforeseen circumstances and events. So be proactive and insure the things that are most valuable to you. However, don't overinsure. There are many insurance products out there that are useless. Stick to the 4 above unless there is an absolutely good reason to get more. Number 5. Practice extreme savings. While the 50-30-20 rule is a good place to start, you'll find that you can save a lot more if you put in the effort. Once you are committed to building wealth, There will be many items in your budget that you can reduce or cut. You won't be alone in doing so. Today, there is no shortage of communities that promote ways to practice extreme savings. The Financial Independence Retire Early movement, known as FIRE, is among the most popular. They promote extreme saving strategies that encourage adherents to save a huge percentage of their monthly income. They do this in various ways, including building and creating things they need, example, baking bread, building tables instead of always buying them. Apart from the financial benefits, you also get a sense of accomplishment, which is more rewarding than consumerism. Number 6. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is like self-funded insurance. It's money you set aside for unexpected expenses like car repairs and unforeseen circumstances like job loss or pandemic-induced lockdowns. When unexpected expenses and unforeseen circumstances arise, there are always ways to make matters worse, like incur debt and/or sell your investments. You pay interest on debt, and when you sell your investments, you lose both the amount you sold and the interest from the market exposure it could have earned if you didn't sell. Therefore, to avoid those two scenarios, we recommend you learn to start an emergency fund right away. Like insurance, an emergency fund won't make you wealthy, but it will prevent you from selling your investments or incurring debt during emergencies. Number 7. Improve your skill set. There are two ways to increase your savings and investments: lower your expenses or grow your income. While many financial advisors focus on the former, the latter deserves its fair share of attention. If you are an employee, improve your skill set by taking professional courses and immersing yourself in continuous career development. By improving your skills, both hard and soft, you can earn promotions or get better job offers from other companies, which means higher income. If you own a small business, improve your understanding of the market, commit more resources to innovation, and provide more value to your customers. By doing this, you can increase your market share and earn more revenue. Number 8. Explore passive income ideas. In addition to increasing the income from your job or business, you should be exploring various opportunities to earn passive income. Passive income describes income you generate that does not require a continuous presence or labor, unlike your job or business. Passive income is crucial for those of us learning how to build wealth from nothing. There are two types of passive income: investment passive income, in which your money does all the work, and non-investment passive income, in which you do some work on the side. And now, before we get into the promised bonus fact, we would like to thank you for staying with us this far. Wealthy people believe that if you aren't using it, you should stop paying for it. It can be anything from a premium cable channel to a club membership to a home security system. They follow a monthly budget that helps them see where their money is going, so they can make cuts when necessary. Which one of the mentioned tips do you think are best suited to the plan of elevating your financial status? Let us know all about it in the comments section below. Thank you for staying with us throughout the video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment before leaving. And of course, subscribe for more content like this.